At the gluing stage, we can very sensibly, very neatly and very tidily fold our box down and make sure that everything's going to be in the right place. Because we don't want to mix it up and change it so it doesn't work when we glue it properly. PVA glue we're going to use, as I said before, we are just going to apply a little bead of glue to the inside of each joint, making sure I put my wood back the same way. And we could put glue on the inside of the groove to glue in our base, but we shouldn't need to because the groove will hold it in place. So once I've got my bead of glue, I'm going to spread this around. Finger's absolutely fine. PVA glue is non-toxic, so it won't hurt you, and you can just wash off the glue or rub it off later. So you're looking for an even coat, not too thin, not too thick, because you need to have a certain amount because it helps to fill the gaps. Any gaps that you might have, PVA glue does fill those gaps quite nicely. And then the other side as well. And I'm doing all my gluing before I put it back together again, because it just makes it more straightforward to manage my pieces of wood. Okay, I'm a bit light on my glue there. I'll borrow a bit from this one, because there's quite a lot on this one. Put it in that gap, a bit from this one, and that gap there. Okay, so you want glue on the inside of the joint, the shoulder, and also the flat part as well. Once that's done, take my PVA glue and just rub it against my hands, and that will flake off. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to reassemble my box. Making sure everything's very neatly put in. This one in like this. And then, because I've set my clamp to the right size, I should just be able to put that straight back on, really, really neatly and tidily. Apply that pressure there, and put that back into my table vise. Done. I will dust one last double check, make sure it's straight. And I'm happy with that. Okay, that's glued. We will need to wait for 24 hours before it's completely set, and then it will be nice and strong.